And we're back, and this time I'm going to show you how to change the color of an object in Adobe Lightroom. You will find the image via the description link below. Let's go to the brush tool or simply press B. You want to start a new brushing, so make sure the plus sign is activated. You've got this drop down menu. Increase the size and the feathering, just like this with the slider. Flow and density, I've just increased the density fully and keep the flow to around 50 in this example. I want to add the auto mask. What that does is it automatically finds edges to new colors. Let me cycle through all of the options using the key O. And we want to have the overlay visible. And if I paint on this turquoise area now, you can see it becomes red. It's not really red, this is just the overlay. And thanks to the view mode that I've activated via the O key, we can see it. I've got auto mask checked, and as I said, that finds edges and helps us keeping the white and the orange area unadjusted while painting this overlay. Use the O key again to hide the overlay, just like this, and we'll change the color with the temperature right here and the tint, and you can see what it does. Let us adjust a couple of more sliders, and in real time the color of this turquoise area is changed to blue. And what we can do on top of it is to use this color option at the bottom and then directly choose a color that will be overlaid. I don't want to use it here, but you've got the option. And if you compare to the original, the effect becomes clear. We could create a new brushing for the center element, so the orange, but I'll show you a second method, which is the radial gradient. That works very well here. I'll right click on the temperature and reset all the sliders, and then I create a new gradient. I left click, but you can't see anything. You'll have to show the overlay first. So press the O key again until you've got that view mode activated. I'll resize that with the outer points, and I reposition that with the inner point of this radial gradient. Let me hide the overlays with the O key again, and if I adjust the temperature and tint now, you can see that only the orange is affected. And again, I'll play around with the sliders, and I could even add the color option at the bottom to change the color of this orange. And this is it. Let us compare to the original, and you can see what we've adjusted here. So these are two options to adjust the color of an object in Adobe Lightroom. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you next time.